Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Nanduri Mass Media. Today we are going to discuss about the problems relating length of the chord. This is the continuation video of the previous video. Okay. So the problem is find the length of the chord intercepted by the circle x square plus y square plus 8x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0 on the line 3x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. So we have to find the length of the chord intercepted by the circle and the line. So what is the length of the chord? First suppose this is the circle. Or suppose this is the circle and center of the circle. So first suppose this is the chord. This is the chord. So first suppose the chord is AB. Chord is AB. Now if this is the center, if you draw a perpendicular from center onto this chord, that will be a perpendicular, length of the perpendicular, this will be denoted by D. So the length of the perpendicular from center onto the chord is D. And if you join C and A, this will be the radius of the circle. That will be the radius of the circle. Now we have to find the length of the chord. That means we have to find AB. So AB will be the length of chord. AB will be the length of chord. First suppose this is P. Let's suppose this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. So from right angle triangle APC. So we have AC square is equal to AP square plus PC square. So for the right angle triangle, so by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AP square plus PC square. So what is AC square? Radius of the circle. That is denoted by small r. R square is equal to AP square we have to find. PC square is nothing but length of the perpendicular distance from the center to the line. So now we have to find D square. So D square is equal to R square minus AP square. We have to find AP square. So what is AP square? R square minus D square. AP square is R square minus D square. So AP is equal to under root R square minus D square. Under root R square minus D square. So what is distance AB from this point to this point? This is the midpoint of the chord. P is the midpoint of the chord. Whenever CP is the perpendicular, then P is the midpoint of AP. Now what we have to find? Length of the chord. We have to find? AB is equal to length of the chord. So if P is the midpoint of AB and AP distance is length of AB is root R square minus D square. So what is the distance between A and B? AB is AB will be the 2 times the length of AB. 2 times length of AP. If P is the midpoint of AB, but we have to find the length of the chord. That means we have to find the distance length AB. Then AB is equal to 2 times AP. So 2 times AP means 2 times what is AP? R square minus D square. This will be the length of the chord. Now we have to find the length of the chord intercepted between the circle and the line. Now we have to find. Now we will go to the problem. Okay. So this is how we have to find the length of the chord. To find the length of the chord, what we have to find? First we have to find the radius of the circle and D. D is the perpendicular distance from center onto the line. Okay. Now if you substitute the values of R and D, then we will get the length of the chord. Now we will see the solution. Now what is given circle? What is given circle? X square plus y square plus 8x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. So what is the center of the circle? Minus 4, 2. So center of the circle is minus 4, 2. And so 2g is 8. In the same way, 2g is 8 and 2f is minus 4, c is minus 16. For reference, we will write g is 4, f is minus 2. Okay. Now, we know the center of the circle. We have to find the radius. So, radius is under root g square plus f square minus c. Radius is under root g square plus f square minus c. So what is g square? 4 square. 16 plus f square minus 2 whole square is minus 2 whole square is 4 plus 4 minus of c. Minus of minus plus. So this is 36. So 36 means 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 16 36. This is the radius. This is radius. Okay. Now the perpendicular distance from C to AB is D. Then D is equal to. So everybody knows in the first year. So if P is a point x1 y1 and perpendicular length of the perpendicular distance ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So length of the perpendicular distance from a point onto the line is modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. So the length of the perpendicular distance so is obtained using the formula modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square. Here it d is equal to modulus of ax1. So what is ABC here? 3x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. So what is a here? A is 3, b is minus 1, c is 4. Substitute the values. So a of 3 into x1. x1 means coordinates of center. x1, y1. Okay. ax1. 3 into x1 is minus 4 plus b into what is b value? Minus 1. That means minus 1 into y1. What is y1? 2 plus c. c is 4 by under root a square 3 square plus b square minus 1 whole square. This is equal to minus 12. 3 4s are minus 12 minus 2 plus 4 whole divided by root 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1. So minus 14 plus 4, that means modulus of minus 10 by root 10. That is nothing but 10 by root 10 is equal to root 10. So the value of d is we obtained as root 10. So d value is root 10. Now what we have to find? The length of the chord we have to find. Therefore, length of the chord is equal to 2 root r square minus d square. So that is nothing but 2 root r square. What is r here? 6 square. So that is 36 minus d square. Root 10 whole square. Root 10 whole square is 10. So 2 root 36 minus 10 is 26. So 2 root 26 is the length of the chord intercepted by the circle and the line. Okay, this is very important for 4 marks. Have a note. See the next problem. This is also previous problem model, but very important as far as IP is concerned. So that's why I am discussing this. So find the length of the chord intercepted by the circle on the line. So intercepted by the circle onto the line. So whenever the line is y is equal to x minus 3, change it as x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. If y comes this side, then it will become minus y. So x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. So now, so first what we have to find? So 2g is minus 1. In the same way, 2f is 3. So I am comparing the given equation with the general form of the circle. What is the general form of the circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. With this 2g is minus 1, 2f is 3 and c is minus 22. So g value is minus 1 by 2 and f is 3 by 2. Therefore, center, what is center? Minus G minus F. Center is minus G minus F means G is minus 1 by 2. So, center is 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. Now, we have to find the radius. So, what is radius? Radius is under root G square plus F square minus C. Under root G square plus F square minus C. So this is under root G square means minus 1 by 2 whole square plus F square is 3 by 2 whole square minus C minus of minus 22 becomes plus 22. Okay. Now this will be equal to minus 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 minus square, if you square it then it will be 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4 plus 22 plus 22. Now if you take LCM, what is the LCM? 4 is the LCM. 1 plus 9 plus 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. So this is 9 plus 10. 88, 88, 9, 98 by 4. 98 by 4. This is 2 gets cancelled. I think 2 gets cancelled. 49 by 2. So root 49 is 7 under root 2. So R value is 7 by root 2. Now what we have to find? D we have to find. If D is perpendicular distance, D is perpendicular distance from C. What is C? 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 onto the line. Onto the line. What is the line? Given line. X minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. So then D is equal to, what is the formula? Modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square, where a, b, c are, a is 1, b is minus 1, c is minus 3. This is x1, y1. Substitute length of the perpendicular formula already given in the previous problem. So the length of the perpendicular from this point onto this line is mod ax1. ax1, a into what is x1? 1 by 2 plus b y1. B is minus 1 into y1 is minus 3 by 2 plus c is minus 3 under root a square 1 square plus b square minus 1 whole square. This will be equal to 1 by 2 minus of minus is 3 plus 3 by 2 minus 3 whole divided by root 1 plus 1. 1 square is 1 minus 1 whole square is 1. Now we observe denominator same, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 by 2. 4 by 2 modulus of root 2. 4 by 2 is 2 minus 3 by root 2. That is nothing but 1 by root 2. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1, but because here is modulus is there, then we can take 1 by root 2. So D value is 1 by root 2 and R value is 7 by root 2. Now what we have to find? Length of the chord we have to find. Therefore, length of the chord is equal to 2 root R square minus D square. So that is 2 root, what is R square? R square is 7 by root 2 whole square. That means 49 by 2 minus D square is, D is 1 by root 2 whole square, that is 1 by 2. So this is equal to 2 root 49 minus 2 by 2. This is nothing but 49 minus 2. R square is 49 minus 2, 41 and 41, 9 minus 1 here. So root 48 by 2. So that is nothing but 2 root 49. 2 root, so 24, sorry, 2 root, so 49 minus 1 is 48, 48 by 2, 2 gets cancelled in 48 to 24 times. So the length of the chord is 2 root 24, okay, have a note. Now let's see the next problem. This is also given for 4 marks. Find the area of the triangle by the tangent at P x1 y1 to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square with the coordinate axis where x1 y1 not equals to 0. So now in this problem we have come under equation of the tangent. So what is the area of the triangle? Tangent at P x1 y1. Tangent at P x1 y1. So what is the tangent to the circle? First suppose this is the circle and P is an external point and this is the tangent. Okay. So meet the circle at only one point, that is tangent. Okay. So first suppose this is SC is equal to 0 and P x1 y1 is a point. If you draw a tangent, we can draw two tangents. Okay. But for convenience, we will take only one tangent. So this meets the circle at one point. So equation of tangent to SC is equal to 0 at P x1 y1. So the equation of tangent is S1 is equal to 0. So the equation of tangent to the circle SC is equal to 0 from your point P x1 y1 is equal to 0 is given by S1 is equal to 0. What is S1? S1 is x1 plus y1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. So if the circle is of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, this is the equation of the tangent. If the circle is x square plus y square minus a square, for suppose the circle equation is x square plus y square minus a square. So equation of tangent at P. So equation of tangent at P is x1 plus y1 minus a square is equal to 0. These things you have to observe. So the equation of the tangent is nothing but S1 is equal to 0 for a given circle S is equal to 0 and the point is Px1 y1. Okay, now here area of the triangle found by the tangent at the point Px1 y1. So area of the triangle found by the tangent at Px1 y1 to the circle. So first suppose this is the circle. So here the circle equation is x square plus y square is equal to a square. So the center of the circle is 0, 0. Center is 0, 0. That means this will be the center of the circle and it means the tangent means so that will be like this. So it meets x-axis at A and y-axis at B. Y-axis at B. Okay. Now we have to find the area of this particular. We have to find the area of this shaded area. We have to find. So area of triangle is equal to area of OAB. Okay. So this is the right angle triangle. The area of a triangle OAB is obtained by half of x1 y1 half mod AB square units. Area is obtained by half mod AB square units. What is A? A is x-intercept and B is y-intercept. If you find the intercepts from this tangent equation directly, you can substitute the intercepts in the given formula so that we can find the area of the triangle. Okay. So now what is the given equation? Is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Now the equation of tangent at P x1 y1 to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square is, what is the equation of the tangent? X1 plus y1 minus a square is equal to 0. The equation of tangent is nothing but S1 is equal to 0. That means x1 plus y1 minus a square is equal to 0. So this is the tangent equation, this equation. So this equation has, this is P. This is x-intercept, OA is x-intercept and OB is y-intercept. So OA is small a, OB is small b. So area is half mod AB. So we have to find OA and OB. So OA is nothing but x-intercept, I have told you. OB is the y-intercept, I have told you. Now we have to find what are ABs. Okay. Now from this xx1 plus yy1 is equal to a square. Call this as equation number 1. So a square goes to the side. Now xx1 plus yy1 by a square is equal to 1. Now separate it. Xx1 by a square plus yy1 by a square is equal to 1. Now x by x1 by a square. So this x1 comes. So x1 comes to the denominator. That means a square by x1 plus y by a square by y1 comes to the denominator is equal to 1. Here x-intercept. What is x-intercept here? A square by x1. Okay. Now y, this is x-intercept. So what is x-intercept? Intercept formula of the straight line. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So a is x-intercept, y is b is y-intercept. That the things below x are x-intercept. The things below y are y-intercept. So x-intercept is a square by x1. So y-intercept is a square by y1. A square by y1. Therefore, area of triangle OAB is equal to half mod a into a square by x1, b into what is b? A square by y1. This is what a and this is what b. This can be a and this can be b. So half a square into a square is a power 4 by 2 into mod x1 y1. So a square into a square, a power 4. Square is there, that's why I take it off. Modulus is not taken. So 2 into mod x1 y1 square units. So this is frequently asked question in the examination, IB board examination. So the area of the triangle OAB is a power 4 by 2 mod x1 y1. This may be asked for 2 marks also. So have a note. Let's go to the problem. This was asked for 2 marks. So this is also very important, very simple problem. So show that the line Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0 is a normal to the circle X is equal to 0 if and only if Lg plus Mf is equal to N. So this is if and only if condition. The what it means if the line is a normal and this line is normal to the circle, then the condition is Lg plus Mf is equal to N. Otherwise, if Lg plus Mf is equal to N, then this line is a normal. This line is a normal. So what is given? The line Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0 is a normal to what is the equation of circle? S is equal to 0. What is the equation of circle? S is equal to 0. Actually, what is the equation of circle? S is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c is equal to 0. So what is the center of the circle? Center is minus e minus f. So here the line is a normal to the circle. That means, for suppose this is a circle. What is normal? Normal will be like this. Normal will be like this. So the normal always passes through the center of the circle. So the normal always passes through the center of the circle. So the line is a normal to the circle S is equal to 0 if and only if and C minus G minus F lies on Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. So this happens whenever this happens. So Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0 is the normal to the circle S is equal to 0. That means center lies on the circle. Why? Because normal always passes through the center of the circle. So the center is minus G minus F. Substitute here L into if and only if L into minus G plus M into minus F plus N is equal to 0. That means minus LG minus MF plus N is equal to 0. If and only if LG plus MF, if these two terms go to that side, then these two becomes positive, is equal to N. LG plus MF is equal to N. This is what is the required condition. Have a note. Let's go to the next note, and you can take it as a definition also. So what is normal? So normal is nothing but it is a line perpendicular to a tangent. So whenever we draw a tangent at a point P, the normal should also pass through the point P and which is perpendicular to the tangent. That is normal. So in definition, in terms of defining the normal at any point P on the circle, the normal at any point P on the circle is the line which passes through P, is the line which passes through P and is perpendicular to the tangent at P. So normal is a line which is perpendicular to the tangent at a point P. So this will be perpendicular to the tangent and this line is called normal. Okay, so normal is very simple. It is a line perpendicular to the tangent. So in other words, the normal at any point P on the circle is the line which passes through P and is perpendicular to the tangent at P. So this is the clear explanation. For suppose this is the circle S is equal to 0 and this is the tangent at P. So at P we can draw a line, that is this one. This is perpendicular to tangent at P. Okay. Now if you take the problem, if you take the formula, for suppose the equation of the circle is S is equal to 0, then the equation of normal to the circle S is equal to 0 at P x1 y1. So the equation of normal is for any circle, we can find the equation of normal when the point is given. We can use this formula. What is the formula? Y1 plus f into x minus x1 minus x1 plus g of y minus y1 is equal to 0. This is the formula for finding the normal to the given circle. So the definition of the normal and this is the equation of the normal. Okay, have a note. Let's go to the next definition. This is what chord of contact. So chord of contact, what is the chord of contact? For suppose S is equal to 0 is the circle and P x1 y1 be a point in the plane outside the circle. Let P be a point in the plane outside the circle. We can draw tangents from P to the circle. We can draw two tangents meeting the circle at A and B. We can draw two circles, two tangents from P meet the circle at A and B respectively. Then the secant AB is called chord of contact. This will be the secant. This will be the chord of contact. So secant AB is called chord of contact. Okay. For a given circle S is equal to 0, the chord of contact, equation of chord of contact, the equation of chord of contact of P with respect to the given circle S is equal to 0 is S1 is equal to 0. If the circle is S is equal to 0, that means x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Then the chord of contact is S1 is equal to 0. What is S1 is equal to 0? X1 plus y1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. If the circle SC is x square plus y square is equal to a square, then the chord of contact is x1 plus y1 minus a square is equal to 0. So whenever you see the equation, so you have the feeling that this is already given somewhere before. So equation of tangent to the circle at P x1 y1 to the circle S is equal to 0 is also S1 is equal to 0. So equation of tangent S1 is equal to 0 and equation of chord of contact is also S1 is equal to 0. So we have to observe. Concept is different but the formula is same. So the chord of contact of P with respect to the circle S is equal to 0 is S1 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is what chord of contact. What is chord of contact? If the tangents are drawn from P to the circle S is equal to 0, meet the circle, touch the circle at A and B, then the secant AB is called chord of the circle, chord of contact of P with respect to the given circle. The equation of the chord of contact is S1 is equal to 0. S1 is equal to 0. Now we will see the example. Find the chord of contact of P2, 5 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. This will be asked for 2 marks. Okay. So go to the solution. So find the equation. So what is P? P x1 y1 is equal to 2 comma 5. And what is S? S is equal to x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus 2. So the equation of chord of contact of P with respect to S is equal to 0 is S1 is equal to 0. So what is S1 is equal to 0? X1. So x of x1 is 2 plus y y1. Y of y1 is 5. Minus, so here minus 5 is G is minus 5 by 2. 2G is minus 5. G is minus 5. X plus x1. X plus x1 is 2. Plus F. F is 4. 2F is 4. What is F for 2? Make it half. Y plus y1 is 5. Plus C is 2 is equal to 0. Now you can take the LCM. 2x plus 5y minus 5x by 2 minus 10 by 2 plus 2y plus 2 5s are 10 plus 2 is equal to 0. Just to simplify it. Okay. 2x plus 5y minus 5x by 2 plus of y minus 5 2s are 10 by 2. 2y plus 10 plus 2. So take LCM. 2 2s are 4x. 2 5s are 10y minus 5x minus 10. Then 2 2s are 4y. 2 2s are 4y. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 2s are 24. Is equal to 0. Added 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 into 2, 24. So 4x minus 5x is minus x. Minus 10y plus 10y plus 4y plus 14y. Now plus 24 minus 14 is plus 14. That is take minus as common. X minus 14y minus 14 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the tangent. Okay? Have a note. So please like my video and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. A small correction is there here. So here it is minus 2, not plus. So if you take minus 2 here, the answer will be different. So here also minus 2. So this is also minus 2. Okay, there is only one mistake here. So 2x plus 5y minus 5 to minus 2. Here also minus 2. So this will be 4x plus 10y minus 5x minus 10 plus 4y plus 20 minus 4 is equal to 0. Plus 2 10s are 20 minus 2 2s are 4. So 4x minus 5y minus 4 minus x. 10y plus 4y 14y. So minus 14 plus 20 is plus 6. That is plus 6. So 10 minus 4 is 6. So this is plus 6. Small mistake. I have taken plus instead of minus. That is the small problem. Okay, have you know.